Good day, Nick Mangwara. Where were his vice presidents? Why did they not attend the meeting? Are they upset that they were excluded from the Cyril Ramaphosa visit? Is the Presidium united? We need new leaders. Sanapenda mashoko yato kwa pangwa ino na Advocate Fadzai Maire. Pangwa ino achitokonya zvigananda after the two vice presidents, they did not attend the last Politburo meeting. Zanapenda mashoko anobuda panapa achitaukwa na Maire. Anowanza kuti nyangwe nezvigananda zvabatikana toti subscribe like on the bell icon. Panguva ino mubuda kwaMuchenzi, VPs missing. Maire demands answers. Advocate Maire has raised pointed questions after the latest Zanu PF Politburo meeting. President Emerson Mnangagwa was flanked by Opamchunguri and Jacob Ndenda, but conspicuously absent were Vice Presidents Constantino Chiwenga and Kembo Mohadi. Maire asked, where were his vice presidents? Why did they not attend the meeting? Are they upset about the exclusion from the Cyril Ramaphosa visit? Is the Presidium united? He remarks sharpen the spotlight on growing fissures within the ruling party, with the calls for new leadership echoing louder amid speculation of internal discord. Doma developments are pangwa ile arikuonekwa kuti the ruling party Zanu PF pangwa ine zvinhu zviri kuitika zviri kungopa masignals ari kuuya panguva ine vanhu vachitadza kuinterpreta kuti masignals awa zviri kumbozama kumbosakisa oro kureva kuti kudii. Pinai mucomment section medu muzafungura enyu moti kudii pamusoro pe these developments. Musana subscribe or like, once you turn on the bell icon.